A trailblazer is a pioneer, an innovator, a leader who has the courage and determination to explore new paths and ideas. These are individuals who don't wait for the right opportunity. Instead, they create it, and they are the change that they wish to see in the world. The Minnesota Recreation and Park Association held their annual conference and exhibit hall this year at the Plymouth Community Center, which was surrounded by a picturesque landscape that was outside of the recreation community facility, where trees towered and the ground carpeted with beautiful plants and flowers. Since Minnesota is known as the land of 10,000 lakes, Mr. Milton Hunt, who is one of the esteemed guests and who you'll be hearing from shortly, had the opportunity to go sailing with fellow companions. The weather was crisp and the experience was breathtaking. After fully immersing himself in the beauty of Minnesota and enjoying the excursions, Mr. Hunt prepared for his keynote address.
Hello, my name is Milton Hunt. In just a few minutes, we'll be delivering our keynote address called Trailblazing the Unbeaten Path. I'm so excited to be here with the great folks from the state of Minnesota, where we have over 500 attendees from all around the state that are in the recreation and parks industry. Hey, listen, this is our 86th annual conference. Once again, my name is Milton Hunt. Thank you so much for having me as your keynote speaker.
Every year, the Minnesota Recreation and Park Association provides an educational and a motivating event for all who attend. And this year, the 2023 theme was called Trailblazing. The purpose was to inspire and guide attendees in exploring new horizons, pioneering innovative solutions, and breaking new ground in their particular fields or industries.
We are in an absolute beautiful building. Thank you to the City of Plymouth and the Plymouth Community Center staff for putting on a fantastic show for us this week.
As mentioned previously, Mr. Milton Hunt was one of the esteemed guest speakers who delivered a few addresses. Why don't you hear from him yourself?
My address today will be around trailblazing beyond the beaten path. One of the things I want to talk about is trailblazing is not about following the path of others. It's simply about creating a new path, maybe where one didn't even exist. But my message today will be around the mindset of a trailblazer. This will be an exciting address. You'll certainly want to get some of this content. Please make sure you follow me on YouTube. We're on LinkedIn. I look forward to visiting with you real soon. My name is Milton Hunt.
Before Mr. Hunt got on stage, the crowd was filled with enthusiasm and excitement, eager to hear what he had to say. And during his high-impact talk, Mr. Hunt's presentation was infused with motivation and high energy. The audience was engaged and enamored with his dynamic style, capturing and retaining the information that he shared.
Leaders leave a legacy. We leave people better than we found them. You ever met the person that walks around and this is all they say? I'm 2 years, 2 weeks, 2 months, and 2 minutes from retiring, but who's counting? Are you kidding me? It sounds like the same old message, right? How about the people? I'm happy with the people. You don't walk into a room and you ask somebody, like, how you doing? And this is their response. This can tell you that they're tired. To my lady back here, this will show you that they're beaten down. How you doing? Hanging in there. Hanging in there? Well, I hope you're holding on tight, because you only got to do this for 30 more years.
Some of the key points that he discussed in one of his presentations titled Maximizing Your Potential included the 7 keys to maximizing your potential and the power of attitude. Once he finished, the audience enthusiastically rose from their seats and burst into applause. Individuals rushed to take photos with him and wanted to learn about how they can stay in touch with him and his content. Speaking of reaching out, 2023 is slowly coming to an end. And if you are interested in booking Mr. Hunt for your next conference, breakout session, or keynote address, reach out to him today to schedule a free 30-minute call. Thank you so much, Minnesota Recreation and Park Association. We look forward to seeing you soon.